Watch out, Egypt, because Accrington is coming for you. Your pyramids and sphinxes had promised to last millennia, and yet they've still got nothing on our Accrington bricks from the famous Winnie Hill brickworks. Famed for their strength and durability, these were the bricks used in the foundations of globally renowned Blackpool Tower, the Empire State Building, Sydney Harbour Bridge, and one of our producer's front walls, which fell down earlier this year. But we're not here to talk about that. Accrington bricks, also very commonly known as Nori, are a type of iron-hard engineering brick, produced in, that's right, you guessed it, Accrington, Lancashire. They can be seen in their millions as the principal construction material of Victorian buildings. The ones for the working class, of course, and just pretty much all over Britain's northern powerhouse. There are a couple of interesting theories on why they are called Nori. One, and by far the most commonly believed, is that a little mistake led to the word iron, as in iron hard, being cast backwards. It could happen to anyone. The second is that it was a conscious decision made to differentiate the Accrington brick from Reddock Brickworks and Huncoat, which is just down the road. You might be wondering though, just what made these bricks the emblematic and trustworthy Egyptian killer they are today? Well, fire clay, obviously. Which, sounds a lot like a block of mythical ore, formed by the crushed, decaying bodies of 1,000 fire-breathing dragons, slaughtered by the hands of ancient loincloth-wearing Neanderthals. Or not? Actually, the geologists out there class fire clay as a range of clays consisting of natural argillaceous materials, mostly kaolinite, fine-grained micas, quartz, and sometimes a bit of organic matter and sulfur compounds. A hell of a cocktail, if you ask me. In short, when cast and fired correctly, fire clay becomes the tough Accrington brick many of us know and love. Renowned for being bricks of the highest strength and hardness, Accrington bricks were acid resistant, so they could be used for lining flues and chimneys, not to mention any major industrial building put together during Great Britain's industrial heyday. These bricks were churned out in their millions every year, from 1887 until 2008. That, of course, was when the recession hit and house building came to a standstill, closing the factory permanently. Until 2014, when Forterra, a leading product manufacturer, decided to invest in and reopen the Accrington Factory. With over 40 years worth of clay reserves, the company is now able to produce up to 45 million bricks a year and continue to leave their footprint in British and international construction. Long live the Accrington brick!